Hey Stampers, I just got the mail and my paper pumpkin is here, so I thought we would open it up and see what this kit looks like. Okay, first, I'm going to hide that. First, I want to talk to you about next month's kit. Next month's kit it's our anniversary. Stampin' Up started Paper Pumpkin in March. I don't know how many years ago. It seems like not too long ago, but I think it's actually been quite a long time. Anyway, so every March they usually throw a little bonus in the box. And it's been things like watercolor pencils, or one year there was an extra stamp set and stuff like that. So this time it's going to be 4 stencils and a sponge. And this is really fun. These stencils are 4 by 4 inches, so they're a little square. They're well, decent sized square, a little bigger than this maybe, and really nice pattern. So this will be a fun addition to your collection, and sponging techniques are really great. I'm sure that we'll see a lot of demonstrators showing how to use these stencils in the next month. So this is the next month. This is the March kit. Okay, so you have to sign up for this one by March 10th. And they showed a little bit of what the cards look like on this one too. So I'll put that up on my blog and my Facebook page so you can get an idea. But this doesn't mean that you're not going to get stamps. This is an in addition. So you'll still get the standard Paper Pumpkin kit that comes with a ink spot, and it comes with a stamp set and then some stuff to make cards. This is just going to be in addition to all that. So it's really fun. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. And then let's take a look. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's take a look at this month's kit. Okay, first off, which is the right side here? I think this one. Look at this big bouquet here. That's really nice. That's going to be fun with some coloring techniques. Can use my Stampin' Blends, my markers, my watercolor pencils for this. And then let's see what the stamps say. Sorry for your loss. I'll always be here for you. And I don't know if I can read that one. Sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you, and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. Very nice. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm like, what does that say? I just use them for reading, and this glare is making it difficult. Anyway, really pretty stamp set. You got some little flowers here, some leaves that you can add to the sides, and then this really pretty bouquet. All right, what's our spot this time? Mossy Meadow. Look how pretty. Okay, let's open this up. I already love the envelopes. All right, as always, you get an adhesive. This is dimensionals. There is some Mossy Meadow thread and what looks like black sequins. Okay, and then here are the envelopes. You've got some really fun dots. Now they also said on the back of the, talking about the stencils, on the back they're telling you that if you really enjoyed this Paper Pumpkin, that it matches really nicely with the Flower and Field Designer Series paper that's available right now during Celebration. Now Celebration ends just in a few days, like a week. So what Celebration is, if you spend $50, you get to choose a free item from the Celebration catalog, and that paper collection is one of those items. So let's see, we got some yellow envelopes. Green envelopes. I know I saw another color. Oh, there. That looks like Rococo Rose, maybe? Okay. So here we've got some nice, we've got it in French, and Thinking of You in English, and I don't know what that is, maybe German. Je pense à toi, Thinking of You, and I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, so you've got some large cutout letters, some really pretty gold foil doilies, laser cut flowers on there. So this is kind of a pretty set. Look at this nice background. Ooh, this is pretty too. These are vellum with some gold foil on them. Let's see, we've got some Rococo Rose card bases. Ooh, more cutouts. Look how pretty those are. It definitely reminds me of that paper. So some cutouts here. Here's another card base. That's really pretty. And then here we've got some labels. Oh, some more adhesives, some little glue dots. And our directions. So you're going to be making these 3 cards, and really pretty. This is kind of a more pretty, elegant kit as opposed to like a cutesy like we had last time. So I get extras of these kits every month, and so if you did not join in for this one and you wish that you got it, let me know and I can see if I have an extra box for you. I'm not buying as many lately just because I haven't been having card buffet during COVID, so I used to bring them with me to my card buffets, and so I still get some because there are customers who contact me because they still like to get them. And so if you missed out and you want one, let me know. If you want to get next month's kit that has, it's kind of got outdoorsy looking cards, and I'll show you the picture on my blog. Don't forget to sign up by the 10th of March to get those free stencils. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any paper pumpkin questions, please feel free to contact me at any time, and you can subscribe. I'll put a link in the video description, and you can subscribe right now so you're not going to miss a box.